What happens when Mercedes-Benz takes one of the toughest off-road vehicles ever built and gives it the luxury treatment? This is the new luxury Unimog show car, created by Mercedes-Benz Special Trucks and Hellgeth Engineering. And it might be the most unusual Unimog we've seen in years. The project was developed ahead of the Unimog's 80th anniversary and is based on the highly capable Unimog U 4023. So despite the premium appearance, this is still a serious off-road machine. It keeps the portal axles, the flexible frame, selectable all-wheel drive, and locking differentials that have made the Unimog famous around the world. But Mercedes didn't stop there. The standard 4-cylinder engine has been replaced with a 6-cylinder OM936 producing 300 horsepower. That makes this the most powerful off-road Unimog Mercedes-Benz has built so far. The upgrades continue inside and out. A MirrorCam system replaces the traditional side mirrors with digital cameras and interior displays. The exterior gets a matte gray finish, aluminum beadlock wheels, and a modern LED lighting setup that gives the vehicle a much more aggressive look. Then there's the cabin. Instead of the simple, work-focused interior you'd normally expect from a Unimog, this one features premium leather surfaces, custom stitching, leather floor mats, and ambient LED lighting. It's a combination you don't usually see. Extreme off-road capability on one side, luxury features on the other. For now, Mercedes-Benz calls it a show vehicle. But there's an interesting twist. The vehicle is scheduled to be tested by a customer in real-world conditions next year. So while this may look like a one-off concept today, Mercedes could be using it to explore what the future of the Unimog might look like. And judging by the reaction so far, there may be more demand for a luxury Unimog than anyone expected.